Good evening. My name is Oscar Eduardo Cuellar Sanabria. I am single. I am from Colombia. I am 12 years old. I am living in Sicily. I am studying public accounting at UNAD. I live in Geneva. I am spare time. I like to play soccer. Speaking of my city, there are many tourist places in the city. The main tourist places are Tarea, Betania Reservoir, Gaitana Monument. What is typical for your city? The typical for my city is Williamsburg barbecue. What are main celebrations in your city? A main city of festivals on San Pedro and San Juan Federal celebrate. What activities can you do in your city? Any city I come to ecotourism and take the Taekwondo water sport in Betania Gym.